Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you some of the best websites to read books online. Let's get started. First website on the list is getcomics.org. If you love comic books, especially Marvel, DC, or independent titles, this website is a goldmine. You can easily find tons of comics in digital format, download them, and read them anytime on your device. It's perfect for comic book fans who don't want to spend a fortune collecting physical copies. The second website is openlibrary.org. This one is like a digital library for everyone. You can borrow and read millions of books from every category: fiction, history, science, education, and more. All you need is a free account and you can start reading instantly. It's perfect for students, researchers, or anyone who loves exploring classic literature. The third website is goodbooks.io. This site is amazing if you're always wondering what to read next. It gives you recommendations from people around the world, including top lists like Best Books for Entrepreneurs or Books Recommended by Bill Gates. It's a great place to discover meaningful reads based on your interests. Next, we have whatshoulderreadnext.com. This one is super useful. Just type the name of a book you've already read and it will suggest similar books you might enjoy. It's perfect for when you finish a good book and want something that feels just like it. And finally, we have monstercommendedbooks.com. This site collects book recommendations from famous people like authors, CEOs, and thought leaders. It's a great way to find books that have inspired successful people, ideal for anyone looking for motivation or personal growth reads. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell icon so you never miss more content like this.